I got my 96 Civic in here. I'm going to take this inner fender off. Most of it's just Phillips screws, and there's a couple of plastic clips here and there. There was 4 screws here I just took off. Try to get these off without breaking them. You got to pull out the centers. They're really brittle. I always break the dang thing. Almost never fails. When they break, you can just push the centers in to get these things out of here. Usually. Ooh. Oh, gee. Gonna peel that back a little. Now that I peeled this fender back, there's a Phillips screw right here for the front bumper. Get that out of there. There's 2 10mm bolts for this fender. There's one here. And there's one up here. You can get that with a deep well socket. There. I got to get this panel off next. There's some little plastic Phillips screws in here. Got to unscrew these little plastic screws, and then that clip pops out. Then you can slide this forward and it comes off. That's how you get them off without breaking these clips. Look at that corner. That's a nice rust-free thing of beauty for this state. It never happens. Totally, completely, perfectly solid. So hard to find a car this solid. The reason why I took that off is so I can get at these 2 10mm bolts. And I got 3 10mm bolts on top. Then if I open my door, I can't open my door all the way because it's on the hoist. It's kind of in a bad spot, but it's a 10mm right here you got to get out. You can get the door open all the way. It's a little easier to do. Thankfully, I don't have to worry too much about wrecking my crappy paint. There's a little pinhole right here too for this headlight. There's a little pin right there. You got to make sure that that goes in a pin. Try not to break it when you put it back in. That's how you take off a fender. 1/8 of a turn, pop right out. The shiniest paint on the whole car is on the bottom. That's so unlike the rust felt. Since I'm too cheap to buy a new clip because I broke the top, you can take a 6 by 1mm bolt. This is like a stainless steel battery screw. And I'll just screw the thing in. Just like that. Good enough. Well, there it is. Okay, bye.